been tradition. Every time I come out to Australia for the Motive Video event, we come back for a few days afterwards to check out some of the workshops. Today we're here at Dahtone Racing, and they specialize, as you can see, in RB26 platform mainly. They also specialize just about anything else JDM, and they're a huge customer of Platinum Racing products to help bring me out here. So we can check out some of those products on the cars. You're gonna love these machines. Let's go check it out. Anthony?
Yep.
How's it going, Kyle?
Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
So we're here at Dahtone Racing, and as I can see outside, you guys like RB26 stuff.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah.
We're going to take a tour of the shop, and Andrew mentioned that you guys are huge Platinum Racing products.
Yeah, that's right.
Shop. So we'll see some of the parts on the cars here and actually in the platforms that they're built for. Let's just start with some of the cars here. I see this S15 that's got an RB in it.
Yeah, so just RB26 conversion, single turbo, M-Tron ECU and Platinum trigger kit, like everything else here.
How much power are you building this car for?
Look, it should make, with that particular turbo, the Borg Warner should make 450 to 500 kilowatts, which is heaps. Real drive street
about 600 horsepower-ish, all over that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a manual.
Yeah, yeah.
I like that.
R33 GDST gearbox, 5-speed. So, yeah. Fun,
nice little street car.
Fun little streeter, you know.
And it's white. That's my favorite color.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, it is nice. Yeah.
Well, I took a quick tour before you came, and I saw my favorite car in the back here, the R34.
Yeah. This is a long-term, one of my closest mates. It's his car.
Wow.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Realistically, this car has been sort of our test car for the last 7 years. So we've had multiple different engine combos, learning when blocks fail and things like that before, engine braces were available and things like that. So yeah, it made about 550 kilowatts for probably 2 or 3 years. Broke 4 engine blocks. Stroker kit never had an issue with anything else except for the blocks. We were cracking blocks. So yeah, it was a fun car. I used to run 10s on 20-inch wheels with rubber band tyres, as you drove it every day. So now it's just gone next level. So you can see obviously it's got
it's got a parachute on it, so it's going to be going 150 plus.
Yeah, well, a bit hard to see.
Yeah.
But we've made the shifter, because it's going automatic now. Ours Escalade's Turbo 400. So the shifter's made to fit with the console and the gear boot and all that. There's a cage.
There's a cage in here?
Yeah, there's a full cage.
I can't even. Oh, there is a cage in here.
6-point.
Wow.
Removable side intrusions, removable taxi bar.
You can't even see it.
For an R34 GTR, I think it has to be done that way.
They're too beautiful not to. Just have a bar coming through the window.
Bars hanging out. I don't want you to open the door and see a roll cage. That's the owner's picky like that. He wants everything to be perfect, and
I love it. It takes a lot of time to do that.
There's nothing in it.
Oh wow! Got everything shaved and.
Yeah, it's all tidied up.
Well, this is the car people have been telling me to check out while I was here. Something a little different. So it's a Subaru?
Yeah, so it's
it's an actual WRX.
WRX, yeah. It was 4-door, but someone in the past welded the doors shut. It's an ex-drift car. So
makes sense.
Yeah, a mate of ours bought it as you see it, the way it is.
But the power plant's unique from what I understand. Got a 2J in here?
Yeah, something a little bit different to your normal Subaru.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's obviously got a 2J in it.
It's perfect for a drift car.
Yeah. It's got some form of Lexus rear end. We don't even know, to be honest, because I haven't even looked at it that closely. Don't even know what gearbox is in it at the moment.
It's a mutt. It's got a whole bunch of different brands in it.
All sorts of garbage. Sylvia suspension and front end and that. So
it's got to be so weird to drive with a 2J sound in a Subaru.
Yeah.
And then we got. I think he made more passes than anybody at Cootamundra this weekend.
Oh,
he was having a blast.
He knows how to abuse his car.
Is this a 3.2 as well?
No, this is a 3-litre. So,
okay.
And then new turbo setup. Basically, make a little bit more power. We fixed a couple of little things on the car that we weren't happy with from the first build that were already on the car prior to us working on it. So yeah, it's still got the same pistons, rods and crank as before, just got a new block. The head's got a bit more work done to it, bigger cams, oversized valves and shimless this time, but port work is still very basic. It's nothing fancy. New G42 1200 horsepower version. So we're the first ones to run it on a on a twin cam RB.
Really?
Yeah, so
Seem to be working pretty good this weekend.
yeah, it's awesome. He loves it. So made 1,080 horsepower at the rears, 43 pounds of boost. Yeah, ran out of pump, so that's, you know.
Is this an auto?
No, manual.
What does it mean?
Yeah, H pattern.
Oh, that's right. It is H
Yeah,
pattern.
yeah, H pattern, and he knows how to drive it.
Yeah.
You know, like he really knows how to drive it.
So we're in the rotary powered 1,000 horsepower R32.
Pretty much.
Good luck. Oh, I got the cutout.
Side pipe.
So does the Haltech switch different power levels?
Yeah, so this is currently low boost. I've got gate pressure, low boost, and high boost. So yeah, low boost makes 35 pound and about 760 kilowatts, 770.
So it's not much lower than
No, it's
full
not.
boost.
Yeah, low boost is not much lower.
Wow. Doesn't handle too bad either.
No, I've got coilovers and all the pushes have been done, everything else.
Still nice and soft though, so it handles
Yeah.
like it doesn't kill your back while you're driving it.
Yeah, that was the main thing for me, is drivability.
Love it.
Yeah, it's got big brakes.
Oh yeah.
350mm rotors,
I like
carbon
that.
ceramic pads. Yeah, the brakes are excessive for what I need, but
Oh,
I'd rather have excessive than not have anything
Yeah.
at all.
You can never go too big brakes.
Yeah.
Jesus. This is the perfect street GTR. It's
Yeah.
rides well, it's nice and quiet. You got as much power as you could ever need on the street.
Yeah, it is fairly quiet. Like, especially cruising around, it's even quieter than idling. It's just because of the big cams.
Mm-hmm.
Probably went a bit too big on the cams, but
It's got that rotary sound.
yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that's badass. That pulls real good.
Yeah.
Summon ants! Love it. Nothing to see. Well, after seeing some of the precision racing products on cars at Dahtone Racing, we're here at the manufacturing plant where they actually make these. And our friends at Motive Video just made a video showing the manufacturing process and the fitment to some of the blocks here while the cars are getting ready to make upwards of 1,500 horsepower. You can check that video out in the link in the description below.